announcement for Syndicate 9 Airways.
This film, made in 1903, recalls the first flight of this primitive biplane making aviation history. As the two brothers prepare to attempt the first catapulted takeoff, man's age-old dream of flight becomes a reality.
Air travel has been making the world a smaller place ever since the Wright brothers took to the air on the 17th of December 1903. Fast forward 120 years, and there is an estimated 14 million flights carrying some 4.6 billion people around the world in any given year. But have you ever given any thought to the type of aircraft you board when you fly to Sydney to London? It is something the average traveler gives a very little thought to, or has the ability to control which aircraft they fly when booking a flight. Most of us only notice the type of aircraft we are on during the in-flight briefing, and most probably don't notice at all. So we put a lot of faith in our airlines. They must make the right choice in the aircraft they purchase to get us from A to B safely. So, let's find out more about this industry. There are two leading commercial manufacturers of aircraft. Can you guess who they are? Correct! It's Boeing and Airbus. Together, they own nearly 90% of the market. Today, Syndicate 9 will take you on a journey through the history of Boeing with a specific focus on commercial aviation. Boeing was started by William Boeing in 1916 in Seattle.
In 1919, Eddie Hubbard and I took a flight up to Vancouver, BC. This was the first international mail ever carried by plane into the United States.
This company dominated the market until the 1970s, when Airbus arrived and changed the aerospace industry forever. Airbus is an European conglomerate and fast became a major competitor, taking only 29 years to outsell Boeing. Since then, these two manufacturers are in a dogfight for market share in short, medium, and long-haul segments. For your information, short haul is like Sydney to Melbourne. Medium haul, think Sydney to Singapore. And long haul, think Sydney to Tokyo. Do you know that? For a new plane, an airline has to spend between 115 and 650 million Australian dollars. Like the Boeing 7779 starts at 442.4 million. Part of the reason why an airliner costs so much is that it took a lot of research and development to make it. Testing is also an important part of building an aeroplane. Every part, from the seatbelts to the windows, is tested to make sure it's safe and meets quality standards. The manufacturing process aeroplanes also takes a long time. On average, it takes 9 to 12 months to build an aeroplane. But what would possess them to choose Boeing over Airbus? Let's find out some more about the factors airlines like Southwest consider when buying a plane.
Ensure all devices are in flight mode, seats are upright, tray tables secured, and your seatbelts fastened as we take off with Syndicate 9.